Hello guys, to our friends at WHLICKS have sent us this premium knee scooter. Let's unbox it. Let's put it together and let me show you how it looks. Inside the box, we're going to be included with all the parts to build our premium knee scooter. This is a bag so that way you can carry your stuff while on the knee scooter. It will also be included with a manual and instructions on how to build it. You'll be able to build it in 8 simple steps. This premium knee scooter is designed for you to recover from areas below the knee or on the leg, so that way you can commute from one area to another without having to add that extra pressure. This knee scooter is very practical and travel friendly since you can open this latch, position it, and you can just close it for a better travel experience. You can take it anywhere with this knee scooter. You can say goodbye to the crouches and relieving all that pain under the arm and all that discomfort of using those crouches. You can just simply slide. It is equipped with brakes that will brake your wheels on the back. It is also equipped with this reflective stickers, so you can use it also at night and they can reflect light. With this premium knee scooter, you'll be able to transport anywhere around the house or outside. You will have the brakes in case you need to brake immediately. You will have the steering, so you can steer anywhere and you can actually turn easier and also cut through corners, go backwards, and go any direction. You will also have this backpack for you to carry your personal items and make this recovery process even easier. This premium knee scooter is adjustable to anyone in the family. You will simply remove a screw and a knob, make the proper adjustments, and put them back, making it very convenient and friendly for the whole family. I hope that the information about this premium knee scooter was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.